Imagine being able to ask the universe a question and getting a clear, precise answer. That's the magic of Horary astrology. And now you can take your skills to the next level with Dr. Elena Lumen's Intermediate Horary Astrology Certificate course, Part 2. This is not just another astrology class, it's a transformational, intensive workshop that will deepen your ability to interpret life's biggest questions. Over a weekend, Elena Lumen, PhD, renowned horary astrologer and teacher, will condense a 5-week intermediate course into just 2 immersive days of live training. Day 1 dives into the questions we ask most often about our lives and relationships. In Session 1, you'll explore how to read relationship charts, answering questions of love, marriage and commitment with accuracy and confidence. In Session 2, you'll tackle career-related horary questions, understanding work opportunities and professional growth through the planets and houses of vocation. Then on Day 2, we go even deeper. Session 3 takes you through financial and health-related horary charts and questions about lost money, investments, debt, health, even pregnancy, with guidance on ethics and best practice. And in Session 4, you'll apply your skills in exam-style chart analysis, sharpening your speed, accuracy, and interpretive clarity under Elena's expert guidance. This intensive is for students who already have a foundation in horary astrology, whether you've done an introductory course, you're preparing for certification, or you're already practicing and want structured feedback. By the end, you'll feel confident applying horary principles to real-world questions in relationships, career, finances, and health. You'll gain deeper interpretation skills in the most important areas of life. Along with practical exam preparation and practice charts, gaining insights into ethical horary practice. And most importantly, the confidence to ask a question and know the chart will give you the answer. This intermediate Horary Certificate course is recognized by ISAR and other international astrology bodies. Over 2 transformative days, you'll step into mastery with one of the world's most respected horary teachers. Spots are limited, so secure your place today by clicking the link below and join us for this unforgettable journey into the heart of horary astrology.